Imagine making money every single day using just your phone or laptop. Sounds fake, but thousands of people in the USA are already doing this. Today, I'll show you real ways to make money online, even if you're a complete beginner. Welcome to Daily Money Tips, where you learn simple and smart ways to earn online. No experience, no investment, just real methods that work. Make sure to watch till the end, because the last method can make you the most money. First method, get paid to watch videos. Websites like Swagbucks allow you to earn points by watching content and ads. You can convert those points into PayPal cash or gift cards. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and perfect for starting out. Second method, testing apps and websites. Companies pay users to test their platforms and give feedback. You can earn $5 to $20 per test. Try platforms like User Testing or Try My UI. Third method, freelancing. If you have any skill like writing, editing, or design, you can earn on Fiverr. Even beginners can start with simple gigs. This is one of the fastest ways to scale your income. Fourth method, affiliate marketing. Promote products using your unique link and earn commission. You don't need to create a product. Just share links on social media or YouTube. Here's a powerful bonus tip. Combine all these methods. For example, create a YouTube Shorts channel and promote affiliate links. This is how many beginners turn small earnings into full income. If you want to make money online daily, start with one method today. Don't wait, take action, and subscribe to Daily Money Tips for more simple ways to earn online.